In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download music from Apple Music. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow along without pausing the screen recording. First, launch Apple Music on your device. Find the music app icon on your home screen or in your app list and tap it once. When Apple Music opens, you should see the main tabs along the bottom, like Listen Now, Browse, and Library. If Apple Music asks you to sign in or confirm your subscription, complete that so you can see your music. Once the app is open and showing your songs or recommendations, you are ready to start selecting something to download. Now, tap and hold the song, album, or playlist you want to download. Find the track or collection you like anywhere in Apple Music, such as in search results, in a playlist, or in your library. Press and hold your finger on its name, not just a quick tap. After a second, a menu will pop up on screen with several options related to that item. On albums and playlists, you may see artwork, the title, and then a list of actions in that menu. On a single song, the menu will be smaller, but it works the same way. If the menu does not appear, lift your finger and try pressing and holding a little longer. Next, in that menu, tap Add to Library. This tells Apple Music to place that song, album, or playlist into your personal library section so it is easy to find later. When you tap Add to Library, the menu will close automatically. You may notice a brief message near the top of the screen saying Added to Library, confirming it worked. In your Library tab, that music will now appear under the correct section, like songs, albums, or playlists. Adding to your library does not yet save it offline. It simply links the music to your account so you can download it in the next step. After that, tap the download icon, which looks like a downward pointing arrow next to a cloud, at the top of the album or next to the song track. Open your library and go to the album or playlist you just added, then look for that small cloud with an arrow. On an album page, the icon usually appears near the top, above the track list. On individual songs, it appears on the right side of the row for that track. Tap the icon once. You should see the icon change to a spinning circle, showing the download is in progress. When it finishes, the cloud icon disappears and is replaced with nothing or a small downloaded indicator, meaning that song or album is now stored on your device and can play even without an internet connection. You have now added music to your Apple Music library and downloaded it so it plays offline whenever you want. If this helped you get your favorite songs ready for offline listening, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Apple Music tips.